15 dangerous side effects of ketogenic diet. Ketogenic diet comes with dangerous and scary side effects. Even though popular diet promoters don't explicitly discuss these side effects, medical researchers explain long-term and short-term extreme organ and physical damages. Ketogenic diet side effects separate into 4 major root causes. Number 1, hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Number 2, HPA axis dysfunction, hypothalamic-Pituitary-Adrenal dysfunctions. Number 3, electrolyte deficiencies. Number 4, mineral deficiencies. Number 1, ketogenic flu. This is perhaps one of the most well-known ketogenic side effects. Beginning of ketogenic diet, flu-like symptom that arises. This includes symptoms like fatigue, running nose, nausea, and headache. Ketogenic flu is a manifestation of a hypoglycemia. Number 2, brain fog. Your brain requires massive amounts of energy in order to function at its peak. Most people don't know this, but your brain consumes around 20 to 40% of your body total energy at any given moment. When you experience hypoglycemia, the brain goes into emergency response. Because of that, you will experience simply lack of focus, slower decision making, forgetfulness, poor concentration. Number 3, fatigue and dizziness. Ketogenic diet major side effect is energy deficiency within the body. Because of that, fatigue and dizziness is a common side effect. Dizziness alone is often not much cause of a concern, especially if it is passed after few moments. However, if you experience additional symptoms or a fainting, you should talk to your doctor. If you are experiencing vomiting, double vision, or trouble using your arms or legs, you should get a medical attention as soon as possible. Number 4, constipation. Constipation is a key sign that electrolyte mineral imbalance during a ketogenic diet. Constipation may also be a side effect of a change in your microbiome. Your gut bacteria makeup is largely determined by the kinds of food you eat. Number 5, diarrhea. People will experience diarrhea during the initial phases of ketogenic diet. Although constipation is typically more common, diarrhea may also manifest due to the changes in the microbiome that occur when changing your diet. For some individuals, diarrhea may be brought by low stomach acid or a sluggish gallbladder. Number 6, heart palpitations. Many people will notice heart palpitations during the ketogenic diet. This is attributed of hypoglycemia. The body begins to conceal higher amount of adrenaline, which can cause irregular heart rhythms. The loss of minerals can lead to a reduction in blood volume and pressure that can cause the heart to pump faster or even irregularly. Number 7, urination. Most obvious sign that your electrolyte mineral balance is being affected is an increase in urination. On a low-carb diet, insulin levels drop, which promotes the secretion of sodium in the urine. Sodium pulls more water into the urinary system. Number 8, hair loss on the ketogenic diet can be due to several factors. Some of these factors include low thyroid function, nutrition deficiencies, hormonal changes, and stress on the body. The carb exclusion diets experience hair loss possibly due to lack of nutrients like vitamin B and silica. Number 9. Bleeding gums can be one of the first noticeable symptoms which caused by a nutrition deficiency. The ketogenic diet discharge of minerals from the body in the urine. Bleeding gum are closely related to your body level of vitamin D deficiency. Especially vitamin D are essential of maintaining healthy gut microbiome balance, which contribute to the healthy immune system and bone hemostasis. And ultimately, vitamin D plays a crucial role in all three of these factors and preventing gum disease. Number 10. Nosebleed. Mineral and electrolyte deficiencies can cause nosebleeding. Deficiencies of vitamin B9 and B12 could lead to increased risks of nosebleeds because they lead to elevated levels of homocysteine in the blood. Number 11. High protein consumption requires your kidney to work in overdrive and forces your body to excrete excess amount of sodium, calcium, and potassium. This loss of electrolytes may also lead to low blood pressure, which may stress your kidneys even more. Based on the research study from Johns Hopkins University, consumption of large quantity of meat and not enough water could lead to kidney stones. Number 12. Muscle cramps. One of the ketogenic side effects, people experience muscle cramps. If you experience frequent muscle cramps while becoming ketogenic adapted, this is likely due to mineral imbalances. The minerals are crucial for proper nerve impulse conductivity. A muscle cramp is essentially a misconducted impulse brought on by poor hydration and mineral balance. Number 13. With HPA axis dysfunction, you are likely to experience disruption in sleep. This is because disruption of melatonin, the fluctuate and interferes with the release of melatonin that occurs at night time. Number 14. Ketogenic breath. One of the ketogenic side effects, people may complain about ketogenic breath. When you begin producing ketogenic, you produce them in several different forms. The ketogenic that is released through the breath is acetone and is responsible for the ketogenic breath that some people experience. Number 15. Cholesterol levels. It is important to note that there may be initial increase in cholesterol and free fatty acids over the first 3 to 4 weeks.